Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher.
हम यकीन के साथ कह सकते हैं कि आपको और आपके बच्चों को हमारी क्लासेस पसंद आ रही होंगी, तो फिर देर किस बात की। अभी डाउनलोड करें द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर। द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप से आपके 2 से 6 साल तक के बच्चों को बेस्ट स्टडीज का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। इसके ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान है। द बेस्ट क्लासरूम वीडियो, 3D वीडियो, लाइव वीडियोस, वर्कशीट इन PDF, द कैन वर्ल्ड के साथ जुड़िए और अपने बच्चों का बेहतर फ्यूचर बनाने में उनकी मदद कीजिए। फॉर फर्दर डिटेल्स कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन 7073 888 और 7073 888
Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser, and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my little friends, how are you? I'm sure you are doing great. So, are you ready with your files, pencil, erasers and crayons? Yes? So take out your English file and open page number 5151. Which page number will you open? 5151. Have you all opened your page? Yes? Now on this page we are going to do an activity. It's a matching activity. Here we can see 2 columns. One column consists of letters and another column consists of the pictures starting with those letters. So did you get it? What we are going to do? Yes, we are going to match the letter with the correct picture. Now sit properly with your back straight. Take out your pencil. Hold your pencils like this. Now tell me which letter is this? B. B. B for ball. So we have to spot out where is ball. Here it is. So we have to match B with ball. Now match it. Have you done? Great job. Now which letter is this? C. C. C for cake. C for cake. Is this a cake? No. Is this a cake? No. Is this a cake? Yes. So we have to match C with cake. C for cake. Now tell me which letter is this? D. D for doll. D for doll. So where is doll? Is this a doll? No. Is this a doll? No. Is this a doll? Yes. So we have to match D with doll. Now which letter is this? E. E for ear. E for ear. Now spot out where is ear in this column. Here it is. So we have to match E with ear. Now which letter is this? F. F. F for flag. F for flag. Now spot out where is flag. Is this a flag? No. Is this a flag? Yes. So we will match it with F. Now, which letter is this? G. G for gun. G for gun. So, we have to match it with gun. Now, we have completed our activity. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes? So, well done, students. Now, we are going to practice letters from A to H. We are going to write A to H. The first letter is A. Speak with me. A says A. A says A. A as in aeroplane. A as in aeroplane. Now it's your turn to write A. Done? Now what comes after A? B. You have to wait for your turn. Now say B. B says B. B says B. B as in bell. B as in bell. Now it's your turn to write B. Have you all done? Correct. Good job. Now what comes after B? C. C says K. C says K. C as in cake. C as in cake. Now it's your turn to write C. Have you all done? Great job. Now see after D. It's my turn to write D. D says D. D says D. D as in doll. D as in doll. Now it's your turn to write D. Have you all done? Great job. Fantastic. Now what comes after D? E. E says eh. E says eh. E as in ear. E as in ear. Now it's your turn to write E. Write it properly. All of you have done? Now what comes after E? Correct. It's F. Now speak with me. F says F. F says F. F as in flag. F as in flag. Now it's your turn to write F in your files. Write it nicely. Have you all done? Now what comes after F? It's G. Now speak with me. G says K. G says K. G as in gun. G as in gun. Now it's your chance to write. Have you all done? Now what comes after G? H. H. It's my turn to write H. H says H says H as in hand. H as in hand. Now it's your chance to write. The ball is in your court. So write it properly. Write it neatly and be careful about the lines. Have you all done? With this, we have completed our page. Now what you have to do? You have to click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp and practice these letters again and again for more perfection. Now kiddos, proceed to page number 5 to 52. Have you all opened your page 52? Okay. Now on this page we are going to write lowercase h. It is also known as small h. What we are going to do? Yes, we are going to write lowercase h. And it is also known as small h. Now look at the board carefully. I am going to tell you the formation of h again. Now I will start it from the top line, up to down, standing line, stop on the base line. Now come back to the middle line, turn towards your right and make a tail and stop on the base line. This is the formation of lowercase h. Now sit properly with your back straight. Take out your pencil. Hold your pencil like this and you should write dark. And you will speak with ma'am and you will write after me. Is it clear to you? Now I am going to write h. Put your pencil on the top line, up to down, standing line. Stop on the base line. Now come back to the middle line, move towards your right and make a tail. H. H says, H says, H is in hut. H is in hut. Now it's your chance to write H. Have you all done? Again, the ball is in my court. It's my chance to write H. I'm going to write without dots. We will start it from the top line, up to down, standing line, come back to the middle line, turn towards your right and make a tail. H. Speak with me. H says, H says, H as in hut. H as in hut. Now it's your time to write H. Write it properly. Write it nicely. Have you all done? Again, it's my turn. I will start it from the top line, up to down, standing line. Stop on the base line, come back to the middle line, turn towards your right and make a tail. H. H says, H says, H is in heart. Now it's your time to write H. Done? Again, ma'am is going to write H. I will start it from the top line. Up to down, standing line, come back to the middle line. Now turn towards your right and make a tail and stop on the base line. H. H says, H says, H is in heart. Now it's your turn to complete your first row. Have you all done? Now again it's my turn. I'm going to write in the second row. Up to down, standing line. Come back to the middle line. Move towards your right and make a tail. H. Now it's your turn to write H. Done? Again, ma'am is going to write H. H says, H says, H is in hut. H is in hut. Now it's your time. Write it neatly. Your work should be neat and tidy. Done? Now again, ma'am is going to write H. Up to down, standing line, come back to the middle line, move towards your right and make a tail. H. H says, H says, H as in hut. H as in hut. Now it's your chance. Write it properly. Write it nicely. And if you have done wrong, then you can use eraser. Done. Again, ma'am is going to write H. Up to down, standing line, come back to the middle line, move towards your right and make a tail till baseline. H. H says, H says, H as in heart. H as in heart. Now it's your turn to complete your second row. Have you all completed your second row? Now, these two rows you have to complete later on. Whenever you got time, you can complete these two rows and click the photograph of the pages you have done and send it on the WhatsApp group. And practice these letters again and again for more perfection.
हम यकीन के साथ कह सकते हैं कि आपको और आपके बच्चों को हमारी क्लासेस पसंद आ रही होंगी, तो फिर देर किस बात की, अभी डाउनलोड करें द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर। द कैन वर्ल्ड ऐप से आपके 2 से 6 साल तक के बच्चों को बेस्ट स्टडीज का एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा। इसके ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान है। द बेस्ट क्लासरूम वीडियो, 3D वीडियो, लाइव वीडियोस, वर्कशीट इन PDF, द कैन वर्ल्ड के साथ जुड़िए और अपने बच्चों का बेहतर फ्यूचर बनाने में उनकी मदद कीजिए। फॉर फर्दर डिटेल्स कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन 7073 888 991 और 7073 888 992।